Hello guys, so today it was not that much great expiry, okay. Market moved in the morning, and after that it was moving just here and there with lack of confidence, lack of conviction to trade. Okay, so in the morning market moved as per our pre-market analysis audio that market moved on the lower side very fast. Then it moved on the higher side after taking the support from the POC and the CPR. It gave the target on the higher side as well. This target is also mentioned in the pre-market analysis audio. So market moved on both of the sides as per the pre-market analysis audio shared with you before the market opening today. So here I also traded something. So I also shared the screenshot in our Telegram channel. And after that there was nothing. Yes, overall market is moving on the lower side with a slow movement. But the thing is, this is not the good for the option buyer. Okay. Yes, if you are able to capture this movement, then it is well and good. But there is the lack of confidence. Here, if you are going to wait for the candle closing, then this target is very near. Then you have to avoid. If you are going to buy over here or buy over here as well, then yes, risk is small, but there is the higher probability that your stop loss may going to trigger over there. Okay. So there was nothing so far for the today, and the day structure, it is quite range bound. Yes, it is not the perfect trading range day. It was the expanded typical day, but market refrained from the breakout or breakdown from this initial balance range. Now talking about the overall market structure. Overall market structure, if you analyze then from the market profile structure, you can clearly see that market is just distributing itself. Here, then again here, then today also again here. So if you try to draw and look out for the profile structure in this particular range, then you are saying that the average price or the POC of this particular price movement, it is somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around 42,250 mark, somewhere around this particular range. So what does this indicate? This indicate, if you are going to look out this on the daily time frame, let me change this. If you are going to see this on the daily time frame, then you can clearly see that, guys, I am not going to hide any levels. Look, based on this 20 EMA and market moved on the higher side, this is the trend you can consider, and here market is having some weakness, some rejection from the higher side, some weakness, some indecision. So this is suggesting us that there is the probability of price correction or time correction. Market wants one correction over here. It can be price or it can be time. Okay, so we have to look out for this 20 EMA. Okay, and here we are having this supply zone. Market gave the breakout from that. So there is the probability that market may going to touch this level to take some support, or this 20 EMA, or before that, if you see, if you can able to see one structure over here, then we are having one peanut or flagpole type of structure here. Okay, I just drawn the trend line. This is how one have to look out at the chart. Okay, just the preparation, huh? What? Just the preparation over here. One point over here, second point over here, drawn the trend line, copy pasted over here. This is the trend line, and I try to draw one horizontal line as well. So currently I am looking at this structure, whether it is going to be correct or not. That market is going to prove that. I am not going to trade anything before the breakout or anything. I'm just looking for the structure. That's it. So you have to prepare like this, and on the broader picture, keep in your mind that market wants one correction. Means market may going to touch the 20 EMA from the daily time frame candlestick chart. Okay, and it may consolidate. It can that. Market may going to consolidate in this particular range only for the time correction. Okay, so this is it for the today. What you have to do now, kindly look out for the tomorrow's pre-market analysis audio in our Telegram channel, so that you can have some good trade opportunities. You can plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay, so this is it for today. Kindly like to this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment below this video. वो आप कभी करते नहीं हो.